Santandreche block, they had not agreed to that. Kidak, as a Santandre MLA, he is an elected representative. Then he has to be present for all his Santandre members, all his Santandre voters, irrespective of whether they have voted him or not. So Santandreche जे block members आले, त्यांचे supporter आले, they had told him that these things are not acceptable. He has to be present for all kinds of functions and all that thing.
Okay.
So that is one thing I will definitely
Thank you. Are you still the member of RGP?
Kaun?
Are you still a member
I
of
am
RGP?
still a member of RGB. My membership is still there. Now, if the party has decided to give any other thing, then it is up to them. I have not received any notice from them.
पार्टी कोर्टान वचपाचें कितें डिसिजन जालें तुमचे ते मिटिंगेक हिंगा मारगांव
See, that thing will be discussed in the CEC. That I am not going to talk about.
इसी एक लास्ट फायनल की
क्लॅरिफाय केलं की असेंब्लीच्या टायमारूच आमी मिनिस्टरान सांगिल्लें की चड क्वेश्चनींग करता फक्त जे असेंब्लीचे जे प्रश्न आसता कितें आसता तेजेर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करता असं तेणी सांगलां आनी तूं सांगता की ताका सांगलेलें
ना बट तुम्ही खंयचेच सांतांद्रेच्या ब्लॉकाक तुम्ही विचारा दे वील अग्री टू दॅट इट वॉज टोल्ड दॅट ही शूड नॉट गो फॉर एनी फंक्शन्स फॉर वॉट
फक्त असेंब्लीच्या दिसांनी
विथ रिगार्ड्स टू
लुसियो आनी एक खबर आहा म्हणटा पळय ती मनोजान पळय प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता आसतना एक असेंब्लीच्या हितूनच म्हटलें की तेजे परफॉर्मन्स वॉज नॉट अप टू दॅट लेवल आतां तूं इतलीं वर्सां मनोजा बरोबर आसा फ्रॉम द टायम ही हॅज बिकम एन MLA ही सेड विजयाचें देखून MLAचें बरें आशिल्लें ना हाऊ डू यू रिएक्ट डू यू अग्री ऑन दीस
I absolutely disagree with the statements. कित्याक म्हाका दिसता जो आमचो एक्स स्पीकर रमेश तावडकर आहा ही ओनली हॅज स्टेटेड MLA his performance is good in assembly. Secondly, म्हाका दिसता CMानूय सांगलेलें and plus थोडे मिडियान जे राउंड टेबल चालू आसता they also have said that Videsh's performance is good. So म्हाका खबर ना की what was Manoj's expectations from Videsh with regards to assembly. पूण जे भाशेन हांव पळयतां आनी एसेंब्लीन तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा की विदेशा वांगडा हांव आसता म्हणून इन द एसेंब्ली Videsh's performance has always been to the best of his ability.
लिशो हे सगळे केन्ना स्टार्ट जाला आफ्टर 39 स्टार्ट जाल्ले सगळे पार्टी में डिफरन्सीस
इट इज अ व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर मी टू आन्सर बिकॉज आय एम नॉट अवेअर म्हाका तरी खबर ना वेन इट स्टार्टेड हे डिफरन्सीस केन्नाच्यान चालू आहा ते म्हाका खबर ना आनी हे डिफरन्सीस कित्याक केल्या तेय आमकां खबर ना they will have to discuss this. They will have to introspect on what is happening and what has been happening for the past few months.
Was Videsh becoming more stronger through his performances?
No.
Through what
I would not point. Videsh becoming stronger is RG becoming stronger. Amsa president, ex-president Manoj, he was there. He has always led from the front. Now, if Videsh's performances are becoming better, I think it would always be good for the party. Very unfortunate जे आयज आमी हे सिट्युएशनान आहा होपिंग दॅट वी वील फायंड अ सोल्युशन टुवर्ड्स गोइंग
ओके रुसियो आतां मनोज म्हणटा आपणे तुमकां RGP इतले ट्रेन केले इतले भुरगे रेडी केले पूण आयचें तर सिट्युएशन पळय हिंगा तुमच्या भितरूच युनिटी ना आनी भितर पळय मिटिंगेक हें चलता ते एकामेकाचेर लायक आर्ग्युमेंट हिटेड आर्ग्युमेंट सो मनोजान कितें हेंच तुमकां शिकोवंक ना एकामेकाक डिसिप्लीन कशें करपाचें उलोवपाचें हे शिकोवपाक तो विसरलो आनी ते आदी सोडून गेलो
ना पळय कशें आमचो MLA ओके आमचो मनोज एक्झॅक्टली सी आता मनोज नेचर इज एग्रेसिव बट he is having that thing, that is his personality, that is each one's personality trait. It is each one has different personality trait. आता तुका सांगलें थोडे ते ट्रेटीचे आसता they having the aggressive trait, some of them are calm in nature. So I do not know who you are talking about, who is being aggressive there. म्हाका तरी खबर ना, so I cannot say. But with regards to that, see, each one will follow the way they see the idol. Many of them who are in the CEC.
So you mean to
many
say?
of them who are in the CEC, no.
So you mean to say they are following his idol?
Many of them, I said, many of them who follow the idols, follow the idol principles also. So maybe there are
that is the way you
some of
treat an MLA, boss.
Exactly. So that's what I'm saying, no. It is up to them. We treat our MLA the way we have to, in a way we feel should be respected. Now, if you all feel that they are not respecting, then it is their problem.
There is something lost in the discipline in the party.
Discipline of the party. See,
दुसऱ्यो आमी
I cannot
लायव्ह
comment
आमी
on
आतां लायव्ह आसतना आवाज येता तुका दर फ्लोरार तुका आवाज येता आमी काय उलयना
की
तू रियलिटी पळय दिसती पडटा.
तुम्ही म्हणलं की एक्स
आयकता
प्रेसिडेंट गेलो मातसो बिहेवियर एग्रेसीव वयलो म्हणून तेणी जे सगळे फेसबुक पोस्ट घातले पळय न्ही तुका दिसता की तुजे पर्सनल कितें सारकें आशिल्लें इंटरनल मॅटर
no, I think it was totally wrong. तेच तुका सांगता न्हू. Maybe he had that spot of the moment he was म्हाका दिसता तो रागार आसलो आनी तेणें ते messages घातले. He should म्हाका दिसता तर he had to control his emotions at that moment of time. He had to call for a internal party decision, discussion आणि disciplinary action जे कितें आसलें that with proof they should have given the disciplinary action.
समज ते पोस्ट घालून इतकें व्हडें जावपाच नाशिल्लें
म्हाका तर दिसना.
ओके
आज आता नो गेला फक्त आमदार येवपाचो आता सगळे ब्लॉक कमिटी येयल्या तुमची सगळी
ना ते म्हाका खबर ना कोण कोण येयला पूण म्हाका जे
भायर
भशेन
अशें दिसता इतके सपोर्टर म्हणजे आतां कितें व्हडले तरी कितें झगडी जातली मारामारी
ना
जातली अशें
जे
सगळे येयल्या
ना ते भशेन म्हाका दिसता की थोडे आय डोंट थिंक दे आर ब्लॉक मेंबर. तूं म्हणटा सांतांद्रेचे म्हणटा तूं ना सांतांद्रेच्या सगळे म्हाका दिसता ऑल ओवर गोवाचे मेंबर्स आहा म्हाका दिसता.
ओके
देखूच लास्ट बिफोर चल्लां आतां कितें सारकें.
See, it is a CEC meeting that is going on. I have not seen what is happening inside.
आवाज येता तुका?
आवाज येता. आता तो आवाज आता whether it is argument or whether it is some
तुज्या हिसपान कितें दिसता आवाज येता तो
ते पळोवचें पडटलें.
झगडी चलता
We'll have to see.
ओके ओके
म्हाका दिसता
ओके
थँक्यू
सीईसी मिटींग तुमची हेज्या पयलीं अशीच जाताली की फर्स्ट टायम दिसता
I am not a CEC member, so I cannot answer that question. But yes, CEC member, तुका सांगला, there are aggressive people, there are calm people, so
ओके
bound to happen.
ओके थँक्यू